Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. As you know that in my third lecture, I brief you, tell you about the shooting lodge and its plot or something happening with Rudolf Hell. Now the plan was ahead. The plan was ahead to reach Ruritania safely and to show a presence in coronation ceremony. So the three people were coming from shooting lodges, Rudolf Zendel, Concept and Fritz. My dear student, one thing I mentioned that coronation ceremony, the day was Wednesday and the time was 9 a.m. and the place was Cathedral and the capital was Strelsa of Ruritania. Why I mention the place of Cathedral? Simply I compare up to today's premiership or prime minister or any. Whenever the prime minister take oath, Chief Justice of Pakistan is only a person to took oath of the seat of prime ministership. This is because the justice has one legacy, one power, one authority to give a direction to prime minister. This is an oath ceremony, you can say. The same place in other countries as well. Now the cathedral, why I am focusing? Cathedral means the Lord Bishop of church. He is only authorized to pour the crown to the person who was becoming a crown king. So I focus cathedral. That was the capital of Strelsa. I little bit mentioned. My dear student, as I tell you, everyone was waiting in cathedral. One was a Blake Michael. He was very much surprised and worried because he was happily in mood there because his people, they have kidnapped the real king, his 6 personal bodyguard, you can say. The 3 are Ruritanian and 3 are foreigner. He was in mood that there's no Rudolf Albert because he was already tracked. And one thing I mentioned, why Rudolf Zendel became happy and agreed that I. Septon Fritz said to Rudolf, if you deny to become a crown king, Sept is only a person to spread the news that the real king is not the righteous person to become a king because he's a drunkard. He's a drunkard and he is not a real real heir to become a. So this was, now the Michael was in very happily mood that he must be a crown king because there's another person to become king. It was a plot by Michael to kidnap the real king. Now Sept, Fritz and all were waiting when from the stair Rudolf came. All were watching happily and become surprised. And Michael became very much worried what happened and who's this gentleman? Because he knew that Rudolf Albert was kidnapped by Michael, his personal bodyguard. And who's coming this? You can say, who's coming this gentleman? He is not a real king, but he has no any proof that if he will disclose, the people put the question, if he is not a real king, then where is the real king, Mr. Michael? He became quiet, very quiet. He couldn't disclose. He came to cathedral, and this was a great day, great place, great surprising situation. Rudolf Zendel come. He has learned all things from Septon Fritz, how to give a face smiling, how to handshake, how to salute people, and how to walk. All things he was learned by Septon Fritz, the real bodyguard to real king. Okay, he came and at 9 a.m. So 9 a.m. Mr. Rudolf Zendel luckily became a crown king when the bishop, the church of cathedral, has worn the crown on the head of Rudolf Zendel. So all became very happy. Now everyone was waiting to meet our real crown king. All were happy. The people of church, even Michael meet, and he was looking, staring fast to Zendel, and the Septon Fritz were along with him. one announcement was declared that Princess Flavia is coming. All were waiting. I think I mentioned one thing, my dear student. Rosendal was already fall in love to Princess Flavia. When he was taking a shelter from the tree and he was dreaming that I got married to Princess Flavia and I became a king. So it was already such a huge love in the heart of Rosendal was running. Emotions were running. And the Princess Flavia, as I told you in my previous lecture, she is a cousin to our real king, Rudolf Albert, and she is a fiancée. She was always avoiding from the real king because our cousin, he was a drunkard. He is fond of wine, fond of hunting and traveling all over the world. After all, when Princess Flavia first time meet to Rosendal and then handshake and kiss the hand of Rosendal by Flavia, it was very great day for Flavia because she is not seen. Because Rosendal has no any habit of drinking wine and enjoying parties and some other things because he's a scholar. Rudolf Rosendal himself is a scholar, very great scholar. He has command of different language, English, French, and Dutch and some other German. My dear student. So Rosendal is a very person. He is really a very proud man, a very dignified man, such a great man. So nobody understand him in a cathedral where the coronation ceremony held. Nobody understand him. Even Princess Flavia couldn't understand when she whole the day walked with Mr. Rosendal and enjoyed a lot. She could understand who this person. But in daytime, when she saw Rosendal change, the love come out from her heart. The love is the first sight of Flavia when she changed her cousin. She saw a changed face of her cousin because she was getting, he's my cousin. My dear student, Rudolf Rosendal. But it was a change. Is Almighty Allah made to any man, he has power. If made shepherd is a Lord, Allah has power. If he made a man who lived in the sky and made him set in David, only power belongs to Almighty Allah. So same situation as this novel I'm telling you belongs to Europe, as Sir Anthony Hackenhoff has mentioned this. Rosendal became a crown king. Nobody understand him. All were cheers and happily moved in that time. So she shares many emotions, and she was very much, in happily moved at Rosendal. Now I tell you one thing very clear. When the Sept was watching them, how they are enjoying, because the Sept was known that he is not a real king. He is something else. Okay, the people just tell him, Michael's men tell him that already the king is kidnapped. My dear student, so Michael was watching. In that time, Princess Flavia said, "Oh, my dear cousin, oh Rudolf, please keep safe yourself. Michael is not a good person. Michael is not a good person. So I wish you must be alive, you must be happy." So this was a love which come from the heart of Princess Flavia. She was demanding that you must be happy and you must save yourself from the clutches of Michael. And that time Rudolf Rosendal got another news. What was the demand of the people of Ruritania? They want to see a marriage bond. There was a extremely big demand by the people of Ruritania. They want to see a marriage ceremony between the crown king and Princess Flavia. And after the coronation ceremony, it was earnestly demanded by the people. They want to see a marriage ceremony between Rudolf Rosendal, the crown king, and Princess Flavia. But already Rudolf Rosendal was not a real inheritor of Rudolf family. So he was bound in some way because he was working under the command of Sept and Fritz. He was bound. He says, "No, your duty is to," when he shows the wish hope before Sept and Fritz, "I am a human being. I am suffering what you're saying. When I don't how to touch the hands of Princess Flavia to kiss her. He was not authorized to kiss even Princess Flavia's hand because she was a royal family. He was also belongs to Lord Burleson, the people, the member of Parliament of British government. He was bound. He was not authorized, but the love is unbound. Love is flows like a river. It makes its own direction ways. In the mountains and hills, there is no power to break. The flowing river. The river makes its own direction, so the love makes its own direction. Love is unbound. Love is eternal. Love has existence. So the Rosendal and Flavia, they both were in love, true love. Now because they both become sincere and they were planning how, Flavia was planning that how my king should be saved from the Michael and its people. My dear student, this was a coronation ceremony, as you know that. I told you how the Rudolf was going to become a crown king and how the people become known from that he is not a real king, but because the same structure, same face was gifted to Rosendal, so he became a crown king. Next thing, Princess Flavia, she was whole the day enjoyed a company with crown king. She couldn't understand. So this was the luckiest moment for the people of Ruritania. They got a person in the shape of Rosendal, which was a comparison to Rudolf Albo, and he became a crown king. Now the duty of crown king is to save Ruritania, Princess Flavia, and Rudolf Albo, who is already in and shooting lodge, and what behind, as I told you, that he's a kidnap. After all, we will understand what happened after the coronation ceremony and what happened with the real king Joseph and Johan's mother. Inshallah, slowly, gradually, my dear student, I will tell you in a briefing style that you understand all the novel easy. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.